Want a truly worry-free and powerful solar panel? Look here, our products are made of German Logi silicon wafers, and with a fully automatic production line, the quality is guaranteed. We know that quality is the foundation. During the production process, 3EL tests are carried out on tea leaves, after string welding, before lamination, and after lamination to strictly check for hidden cracks and black-hearted pieces and other hidden dangers, leaving the problems in the factory. In terms of appearance, we try to avoid obvious color differences, cracks and fragments. The welding ribbons must be accurately aligned. The junction box must be filled with glue without break points, and the installation must be correct. Details are never sloppy. The glass thickness error is compressed to within and the aluminum alloy frame error does not exceed and it is very solid. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.